The Food Service Exchange presents.
Show you how the machine works. This is the way it works. The wheels are running around the circle. They are free to move itself. Okay, like this. They do the job under the part. It's a massage on the dough. Okay, so this is not a pizza press. This is a pizza spreader. All the other machines on the market are pizza presses. So they press the dough down, and the dough escapes in the only way where it can go. In this case, the dough is not pressed, it is spread it out because of the spinning of the wheels. So the machine will never close the airspace that you save during your maturation, during the fermentation in the fridge. And these air bubbles are going to be used in the oven. When the dough touches the stone, it will rise up immediately. You have a very good thick crust, crispy, and you still have the air inside. Okay? Of course, you need flour because the machine replicates the hand-tossed made machine, hand-tossed system. So you put the carpet on. Carpet is made by polypropylene certified. See, while the lower dish is approaching, the wheels are running. You go very slowly. See, the dough shrink back a little bit, so it's not yet ready to be run about. It works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Done. Want to touch it? It's cool. And it makes the crust. As you can see, we have same thickness. No darker part except for the edge. On the edge we have a thickness. Touch it. It's cold. You're going to see, I'm going to put this pizza in the oven, so you will see in 30 seconds how much the thick crust will rise up. Of course, because of the oven, of course, also.